వేచి ఉండండి లేదా తర్వాత
అన్న సుజిత్ అన్న ఎస్ఎల్ గ్రాండ్ అడిగినది రౌటర్ పాస్వర్డ్ చెప్పవా వైఫైది?
ఎస్ క్యాపిటల్ కొట్టు, మళ్ళా గ్రాండ్ అరీనా, ఎస్ఎల్ గ్రాండ్ అన్ని స్మాల్, ఎస్ఎంఓ క్యాపిటల్, ఎస్ఎల్ గ్రాండ్ @అరీనా.
ఓకే
అంతే.
ఫైన్. ఇది 5G కూడా సేమ్ పాస్వర్డా? 4G
5G ఉంది, 4G లేదు.
5G ఉంది, ఎస్ఎల్ గ్రాండ్ అరీనా ఉంది. 5G సిగ్నల్ తక్కువ ఉంది.
చూడండి ఏది కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది చూడండి.
సిగ్నల్ 5G వస్తలేదు సరిగా. ఇది నార్మల్ ఎస్ఎల్ గ్రాండ్ అరీనా కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది.
అదే.
ఓకే రైట్ అన్న, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
If you were born between 1980 and 2000, तो Axis Max Life लाया है एक solid term plan for small.
is something not right.
It's dandruff only. Stay stuck, sir.
I see. This is oily, sticky dandruff.
New Head and Shoulders with charcoal formula pulls out oil and dandruff so that oily, sticky dandruff doesn't come back.
హాయ్ నరేష్, ఇక్కడ గ్రౌండ్ టూలో బ్రో.
హాయ్ బ్రో.
అయిపోయింది, ఇంకా 8 అవర్స్ టాస్ వేసుకుందాం మరి. వచ్చేసారా మీరంతా?
हूँ कल तुझे वो प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करूँ तो हम बैठे हैं हम सब वेट कर रहे हैं और वेट करना is even more difficult.
But what's very frustrating is when we cannot find the TDLJ clue.
A cowbell is attached to a cow.
Oh, बहुत में चश्मे सब लोग डरे हुए हैं सब वेट कर रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है ठीक है चलो जल्दी ले जाओ उतने 20 मिनट में
वो हमें बुलाते हैं बोलते हैं that today is not the day और तब हमारे मन में एक गाना बजता है चैन से जो टूटे कोई सपना डाइव सुना सुना लगे
सबके दिल टूट चुके थे सबसे ज्यादा तो हमारा ही
तो हमने ऐसे सोचा कि अब
लैंड पर है
टास्क मतलब हमारा कंप्लीट होएगा अभी हमें क्या करना है
बस वो टंग ट्विस्टर बोलना है
Are you ready for it? 6 Swiss
6 Swiss cows sip sweet cider on a
steepy snowy slope 6 Swiss cows sip sweet cider on a steepy
snowy
अरे क्या है ये steepy? Take 59
6 Swiss cows
sip sweet cider on a steep snowy slope I think ये सबसे फास्ट खत्म किया होगा
I look around and I swear to God, this is the most stunning landscape that I've ever seen in my entire life, and it feels too good to be true. Whenever I'm on trips, there is this one moment that I feel extremely grateful. And I think this is one of those moments I am feeling very, very overwhelmed and very, very grateful at this point.
Oh God, में चश्मे In my mind, I'm thinking that this is the only shot I have, and I know I have like a certain amount of time in which I can do this, and I don't want to lose the challenge. And let's go! Push it! Push it! Push it! Push it! Push it! Pressure! Pressure! Yeah! And I'm standing, and I did it! And I completed my challenge. I'm gonna try now. Awesome! You got it! Best feeling ever. I think in this past few days I felt so accomplished so many times. I'm so glad I did this. It takes all the strength.
क्या ढूंढ रहे लेकिन काउबेल
Cowbell. I don't know हम ढूंढ क्या रहे हैं and I think that's the biggest challenge. I don't know if you're still looking for a real cow or we're looking for a souvenir or we're looking for a statue. I swear I have no clue. तो हम वापस तो नहीं जा सकते आशी तो बहुत दूर था काव तो मेरे पीछे पड़ गई थी तो मैंने पढ़ना था वापस उसके बाद जाके So at this point we are literally running from point A to point B because we again can't seem to decide where and what we want to do. मुझे लग रहा है हम कुछ बहुत मेजर मिस कर रहे हैं जो यही है.
So first I send the boys thinking that they'll get the job done. But when I see them over there and they can't find anything,
So Kuljeet joins them.
Kuljeet joins.
Go follow it, find it with a smile.
उधर जाके काऊ को स्माइल करना है.
चल फिर वहीं चल. But while walking back to the cow situation, shit, how is this? Oh God!
कहाँ था?
Oh shit!
ओ गाय है पूरी क्या?
I have randomly just seen this very cute wooden cow ka toy with the bell on the tree.
Now we finally know at least कि हमें करना क्या है. चलो कि है क्या?
भाई तो कहीं पे भी हो सकती है.
नहीं होगी.
There needs to be 3 of them according to clue. आशी, I think मैं अलग जगह जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है? अलग-अलग ढूंढते हैं ताकि थोड़ा जल्दी ढूंढ पाए.
And I asked Ayushman, did you check in the tree? And he said yes.
Nothing on it.
And I trust you. Then I decided, okay, fine, then that means it's not here. So I started running around thinking, okay, maybe I'm looking for an actual cow.
देखो एक चीज अच्छी हो गई है कि हमने टास्क फटाफट खत्म कर दिया है, तो अपने पास बचता है बोट. बस
Yes, it goes to the station. So finally, हमारा बोट भी हो गया.
हमारे सारे 10 पॉइंट्स हो चुके हैं. बोट, बस,
म्यूजियम, माउंटेन,
ट्रेन,
हाँ.
और क्या?
फिर मैं तो वो भी कर लिया, ट्रैम भी कर लिया, एक्स्ट्रा भी है.
बहुत 3-4 बार कर लिया. हम लोग को 20 पॉइंट मिलना चाहिए. वाला
We look for doors. We look for cows. Ari goes running up the hill looking for Swiss cows. I'm sitting in the boat and I'm panicking more because I see these 3 boys run from the center and I'm worried that time is running out.
And while I'm walking, I see मतलब यहाँ पे ना बहुत सारी rocks हैं. From between the rocks, there are 2 very big rocks and I see छोटा सा golden thing in between.
Really?
And then I bend and I see that there is a second cow.
Yeah!
ये देखो.
Shit.
और ये अंदर से घुस के लिया है.
Focus on the trees. Eventually, what leads us to that tree is an instinct that says that perhaps that clue might be smaller than our searching for.
It's just a small little nook inside the tree next to water. Yes! Yes!
I see a cow. Ari, come back!
Now we find the cute little cow with the bell, but now we don't have Ari. Soft, right? We can't hear it.
So at this point, I've taken off my shoes. I am literally going down into the lake. ऐसे इसी को वापस निकाल लूँ ऐसे थर्ड छुपा के. Oh, 4th भी मिल गई.
मम्मी.
Oh God. कहाँ बैठे यहाँ पे? अरे कहीं चेक कर लूँ. View enjoy करने की जगह हमसे क्या किया जा रहा है देख लो प्लीज. सब हट चुके हैं मेरे. ओ मम्मा. स्विट्जरलैंड में भी मम्मी की याद आ रही है. वापस कैसे आऊँ?
Ari!
Can he hear you?
I've gone extremely far at this point. And then I just heard,
Ari!
Ari, come back.
Don't get it.
Found it. Yeah, you know what?
Yes, I get back and I am panting and I am exhausted.
Come, let's quickly time. Let's go, guys.
I don't like my day.
And finally, now we are ringing the bells and
I will literally kick you into the water.
आशी, मुझे तो फीलिंग आ रही है छुपाने की बहुत जगहें हैं. यहाँ आके तेरा हेल्प करेगी.
मैं और क्या कर रही हूँ? अंडे बना रही हूँ यहाँ पे बैठ के.
मिल गई. And then suddenly I heard Ashi saying मिल गया. And this is the moment of pure happiness and joy.
Cow is so cute, has a little cute little bell. It's a blue color thing like interlocking colors and this.
This cow I'm going to take home.
I'm keeping.
Huh?
I'm keeping. I've run the most.
How we share the same house, huh?
Okay. So पे बस
3 happy cows for
Same
you.
to you. 3 cows with a smile.
We are done for it today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Parker, do you remember the word I asked you before or I taught you before?
Natalie tells me this really complicated German word in the beginning. She tells me that I have to remember it. But of course, after I've done the task, I don't remember what the word is. I think I've forgotten everything after I went into the water.
I can hear.
Okay. I did remember it has something to do with a costly cookie.
Costly. Cookie costly.
Cookie costly! That's awesome! Yeah! Cookie costly! And I don't know how. I think the heavens were shining upon me because I did remember the word after the whole task and I completed the task successfully.
I have no clue how the other teams have performed, but I'm very happy with our teamwork and how we have managed to finish all the 3 challenges. There's only one thing left for us to do, which is to take a selfie
And
at
the
a museum.
energy, more energy, more passion, more passion. I'm kind of confident actually कि मुझे लगता है कि हमने
And कुछ negative भी नहीं है.
Yeah. So we have been able to complete all tasks by now. So I'm very happy and excited कि अब बस finale में हम थोड़ा shine कर जाए तो अच्छा लगे.
मेरे को लगता है सबको दे देना चाहिए. बोले कि लास्ट में होना चाहिए स्विट्जरलैंड का दिन इतना बड़ा है कि बोले आप सब में बहुत मजे थे, आप सबको ले
सबको मिलता है 2-2 टिकट.
बट मेरे तो बेस्ट वन में
पहला हमको जितना फिर बाद में सबको दे देना ऐसे सरप्राइज करके.
लेट्स गो.
Famous winners are.
And so.